If you're trying to access stake.com from the United States, there's a high chance you see this message: sorry, stake is not available in your region, but stake.us is. This is because officially stake.com doesn't have a license in the US. However, there's a workaround. I can still play and gamble on the site while living in the USA. So to do this, we are going to be using a VPN, which is a program that allows you to change your location online. So click on the link in the description. It's going to take you to Surfshark VPN, which is a VPN we're going to download and use to change our online location. Surfshark is also actually one of the only VPNs working with this site right now. Once you got Surfshark VPN installed, you want to open it, and as you can see right now, I'm connected to the United States. And what we want to do is simply connect to a country where stake is available. And the closest country for us is Canada, so I type in Canada. And then it's important that you select Vancouver, because that is where it's available. Then we click on continue. And now it's going to connect to a server in Canada. So there we go. As you can see, we are now connected. Then what I like to do is simply close Surfshark and refresh the page on stake. And now it's bringing us back to stake. And as you can see, now the pop-up disappears and we can actually access the site. So now we unblock the site, but we are not done yet. Because right now I sign into my account, and when I click on wallet and I click on setup wallet, as you can see, we need to verify using a driver's license or an ID card. And since we are Americans, our cards are not accepted. So we need to come up with another solution. And this is why we now offer fully verified stake accounts on our site. And I will leave a link down below. From here we can see verified stake account from level 2, 3 and level 4. So here we can click add to cart, and here we can buy pre-verified accounts that work in the United States. For level 2, perfect for starters. This is verified with ID. This is ideal for standard players. Then we have level 3 verified. This is more trust with also proof of address with higher limits. And we have level 4. This is the highest level verification, also with source of funds. So here you simply can select the level you want. For most people, level 2 is going to be enough. So we click that, click add to cart. Then we click on proceed to checkout. And then right here you can fill in your details and pay either with crypto or with credit card. Now I also want to show you how one of these accounts would look like. I have one right here. And now when we go to settings right here, and then I go to verification, I can see we are level 1 and level 2 fully verified. And now when I go to my wallet, we can see I can straight away get into my wallet, withdraw and deposit money and actually play on the side. Right now, I can play any games with money I deposit and withdraw without any limits. Again, for the VPN, for the website, I will leave a link down in the description. If this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe and see you next time. Have a good day.